Sweet. Welcome back to the shop, guys. Today we're gonna build this LCA, also known as the lower control arm. I already jumped ahead and built the jig. Basically, it's just a bolt tacked to the table at the right distance. This plate is in a special degree in relation to this bolt. You can kind of see here. So the lower control arm will be made out of 1.5" pipe, quarter wall. It's super thick. Then we've got these little brackets that'll go on here, and they're for the traction bars. So with that being said, let's get at it. Now, next thing we would do is we'd figure out how long we need them to be to fit inside of my jig. So what I've done is, since this is so thick and expensive, I've made it out of a cheaper piece of 120 wall pipe. I already figured out the length and the cope. You can see there how nice that fits. So we'll take this as our template, we'll mark these, we'll cut them, we'll cope the end, and we'll fit them up, and then we'll weld them. Sweet. As you can see, that fits pretty damn good. The next step is we'd be prepping this area and this area for welding, and then we'd fit it up, and then we're welder on out. Those all welded up. Now I'm going to go ahead and assemble them. So we got them all in. Seems like everything fits good. Well, I didn't put the 2 tabs on here because I want to get the degree perfect on them so that the traction bar has no binding issues. And this hole here is a tapered hole. I'm gonna ream that and run a grade A bolt through with a castle nut. So that's pretty much it for today. Next time we'll probably start working on the strut towers and then cutting the front off and the traction bars as well, as soon as we can get some structure here to go off of. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.